In this video, we will reveal some of the most amazing and surprising facts about the animal kingdom. Are you ready to be amazed? Let's begin. Fact number 1. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? One pumps blood around the body, while the other 2 pump it to the gills. And their blood is blue, because of the copper in it. Octopuses are among the most fascinating and mysterious animals in the world. They belong to the group of mollusks called cephalopods, which means head-footed. They have a soft body that can squeeze through tiny spaces, 8 arms with suckers that can grasp and manipulate objects, a large brain that can learn and solve problems, and a complex nervous system that can sense and respond to their environment. Fact number 2. Did you know that owls don't have eyeballs? They have eye tubes that are fixed in their skulls. That's why they have to turn their heads to see. Owls are amazing birds that have adapted to hunt at night. One of their adaptations is their eyes, which are not spherical like most animals, but tubular and elongated. This shape allows them to have a larger retina, which is the light-sensitive tissue that forms the image. A larger retina means more rod cells, which are the cells that detect light and movement. However, this shape also means that owls cannot move their eyes inside their sockets, because they are fixed by bony structures called sclerotic rings. To compensate for this, owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees left or right, and almost upside down. This gives them a wide range of vision without moving their eyes. Fact number 3. Did you know that elephants can hear with their feet? Elephants are amazing animals that have a well-developed system of communication that makes use of all of their senses, including an exceptional ability to detect vibrations. Elephants can hear with their feet by feeling the seismic waves that are produced by the movements of other animals, especially other elephants. They can also communicate with each other by making low-frequency sounds, called infrasounds, that can travel several kilometers through the air and the ground. These sounds are mostly below the range of human hearing, but we can feel them as pulsations in the air. Elephants use these sounds to coordinate their social and reproductive behaviors, as well as to warn each other of threats. Fact number 4. Did you know that sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes? Sloths are slow-moving mammals that live in the trees of the tropical rainforests of South America and Central America. They are known for their low-energy diet of leaves and their ability to hang upside down from branches. But did you know that they can also swim and hold their breath for a long time? Sloths have a slow metabolism that allows them to conserve oxygen and energy. They also have a large stomach that can store air and help them float in the water. Sloths can swim faster than they can walk by using their long arms to paddle. Fact number 5. Did you know that kangaroos can't fart? They have a special type of bacteria in their gut that breaks down methane, a gas that causes flatulence. Instead, they release the methane through their breath. Kangaroos are herbivorous marsupials that live in Australia and New Guinea. They have a 4-chambered stomach that allows them to digest tough plant fibers. However, unlike cows and sheep, kangaroos do not produce much methane during digestion. Methane is a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. Kangaroos have a special type of bacteria in their gut that breaks down methane into acetate, which is used as an energy source by the kangaroo. Instead of farting, kangaroos release the remaining methane through their breath. This makes them more environmentally friendly than other herbivores. Fact number 6. Did you know that dolphins have names for each other? They use distinctive whistles to identify themselves and their friends. They can also imitate the whistles of other dolphins and even humans. Dolphins are social animals that live in groups called pods. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and squeaks. But did you know that they also have names for each other? Dolphins use distinctive whistles, called signature whistles, to identify themselves and their friends. They can recognize and respond to the signature whistles of other dolphins, even after years of separation. They can also imitate the whistles of other dolphins and even humans, showing a high level of vocal learning and flexibility. Dolphins are remarkable animals that have a complex and rich communication system. Fact number 7. Did you know that bees can do math? They can count up to 4, and they can also understand the concept of 0. They use these skills to navigate and find food sources. In their environment. For example, they can estimate the number of flowers in a patch, or the distance and direction to a hive. They can also learn the abstract rules of arithmetic, such as addition and subtraction, by using colors and shapes as symbols. Bees are not only good at making honey, but also at solving math problems. Fact number 8. Did you know that koalas have fingerprints? They are so similar to human fingerprints that they can confuse crime scene investigators. They have them on their paws and their noses. Koalas are marsupials that live in the eucalyptus forests of Australia. They are known for their cute and cuddly appearance, but they also have a surprising feature: fingerprints. Koalas have fingerprints that are almost identical to human ones, even under a microscope. They have them on their paws and their noses, which help them to grip and smell the branches and leaves. However, this also means that they can leave traces that can confuse crime scene investigators. In fact, some researchers have suggested that koala fingerprints could be used as a source of false evidence in criminal cases. Koalas are not only adorable, but also intriguing animals. Fact number 9. Did you know that giraffes have the same number of vertebrae as humans? They both have 7 bones in their necks, but giraffe vertebrae are much longer and heavier. A giraffe's neck can measure up to 2 meters long. Giraffes are the tallest living land animals, with an average height of about 5 meters. One of the most striking features of these animals is their long necks, which can account for almost half of their height. But did you know that giraffes have the same number of vertebrae as humans? They both have 7 bones in their necks, but giraffe vertebrae are much longer and heavier than human ones. A giraffe's neck can measure up to 2 meters long, while a human's neck is only about 10 centimeters long. Giraffes have evolved these long necks to reach high branches and leaves, as well as to spot predators and mates. Fact number 10. Did you know that penguins have knees? They are hidden under their feathers and skin, and they help them walk on land. They also have ankles and toes, which they use to steer and brake when they slide on ice. Penguins have a skeleton similar to other birds, but their legs are positioned differently. Their knees are located inside their body, close to their hips. Their lower legs, ankles, and toes are visible outside their body. Penguins use their knees to bend and straighten their legs when they walk or waddle. They also use their ankles and toes to steer and brake when they slide on ice. Penguins are amazing animals that have knees and other features that help them survive in their environment. Fact number 11. Did you know that sea otters hold hands when they sleep? Sea otters are adorable animals that live in the coastal waters of the Pacific Ocean. They are known for their playful and social behavior, as well as their unique sleeping habits. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep, forming groups of up to 100 individuals, which are called rafts. They do this to prevent drifting apart from their group, which provides safety and warmth. They also wrap themselves in seaweed to anchor themselves to the sea floor, which prevents them from being carried away by the currents. Sea otters are amazing animals that have clever ways of sleeping in the water. Fact number 12. Did you know that hummingbirds can fly backwards? Hummingbirds are amazing birds that have a unique ability to fly backwards. They are the only birds that can do this, thanks to their flexible wings and tail. Hummingbirds have a special figure-8 pattern of wing movement that allows them to generate lift on both the forward and backward strokes. They can also rotate their wings at different angles to change the direction of the force they produce. Hummingbirds use their tail feathers to steer and balance while flying backwards. They can also hover in midair and fly upside down, making them the most acrobatic flyers in the bird world. Fact number 13. Did you know that platypuses can sense electric fields? Platypuses are unique animals that have a special sense of electroreception. They have electroreceptors in their bills that help them locate prey in murky water. These electroreceptors are sensitive to the electric signals produced by the muscle contractions of small animals, such as worms, crustaceans, and mollusks. Platypuses use their bills to scan the bottom of rivers and streams, and to catch their prey with rapid snaps. Platypuses can also detect magnetic fields and use them for navigation. They have magnetite crystals in their brains that act as natural compasses. Platypuses are amazing animals that have a sixth sense of electricity and magnetism. Fact number 14. Did you know that crocodiles can cry? Crocodiles are reptiles that live in aquatic habitats, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They have tear glands that help them moisten their eyes and get rid of salt. However, they do not cry because of emotions, but because of physiological reasons. This is where the expression, crocodile tears, comes from, meaning fake or insincere tears. The origin of this expression is an ancient myth that crocodiles weep to lure their prey, or to show remorse for their victims. However, this myth has no scientific basis, as crocodiles do not have any emotional attachment to their food. Crocodiles are not capable of crying for real, only for show. Fact number 15. Did you know that axolotls can regenerate their limbs and organs? Axolotls are amazing animals that have a remarkable ability to regenerate their limbs and organs. They are a type of salamander that can heal themselves without scars. They can also regrow their spinal cord, heart, lungs, and even parts of their brain. They are considered a model organism for studying regeneration and tissue repair. Axolotls have a high number of stem cells in their body, which are cells that can develop into different types of cells. When they lose a limb or an organ, they form a mass of cells called a blastema, which contains stem cells and other cells. The blastema then grows and differentiates into the missing structure. Axolotls can regenerate not only simple structures, such as skin and muscle, but also complex ones, such as nerves and blood vessels. They can even regenerate parts of their brain, such as the telencephalon, which is involved in learning and memory. Axolotls can also avoid scarring and inflammation, which are common problems in human wound healing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, where we learned some mind-blowing animal facts that will make you say, "Wow!" We hope you enjoyed this show and learned something new and interesting. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. We would love to hear your feedback and suggestions, so please leave a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you have any questions or requests for future topics, feel free to share them with us. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time. Bye.